Imagine a vehicle trusted by millions of businesses around the world for decades. Tough, spacious, and incredibly dependable. Now the legend evolves. The Toyota Hiace arrives with a more modern design, smarter technology, and a level of comfort never seen before in this iconic van. This isn't just a new model, it's the next chapter of a global transport icon created by Toyota. For years, the Hiace has dominated commercial transport across Asia, the Middle East, Australia, and many other regions. From airport shuttles and tour operators to delivery services and corporate fleets, the Hiace has built its reputation on durability, practicality, and efficiency. With the 2026 update, Toyota aims to elevate that reputation even further by blending reliability with modern innovation. A more modern and professional exterior. The Toyota Hiace 2026 introduces a refreshed exterior that balances practicality with a more premium presence. While the model retains its recognizable van silhouette, subtle refinements give it a more contemporary and aerodynamic look. At the front, a redesigned grille adds a bolder visual identity, complemented by sharper LED headlights that improve nighttime visibility while enhancing the vehicle's modern character. The front bumper has also been reshaped for better airflow and improved aerodynamics. Key exterior highlights include sleek LED headlight system, larger, more aggressive front grille, redesigned aerodynamic bumper, new alloy wheel designs, smooth sliding side doors for easier passenger access. Despite the modern styling, Toyota carefully preserved the spacious body structure that has always defined the Hiace. This ensures maximum cabin space, making it ideal for both cargo and passenger transport. A cabin designed for comfort and practicality. One of the biggest improvements in the Toyota Hiace 2026 can be found inside the cabin. Toyota has focused heavily on driver comfort and passenger convenience, transforming the interior into a more refined and ergonomic environment. The dashboard features a more modern layout with improved materials and a larger infotainment screen. Controls are placed strategically to make driving easier during long working hours, which is essential for commercial operators. Interior highlights include large touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto ergonomic dashboard layout, higher quality seat materials, improved climate control system, enhanced cabin insulation for a quieter ride. Passenger variants offer flexible seating configurations that can accommodate multiple layouts depending on the intended use. Whether used for tourism, executive shuttle services, or long-distance travel, the interior now feels significantly more comfortable. Powerful and efficient performance has always been a core strength of the Hiace, and the 2026 model continues this tradition with a robust and efficient powertrain. Most global markets are expected to receive a refined version of Toyota's proven turbo diesel engine. This engine is designed to deliver strong torque, which is essential for carrying passengers or heavy cargo while maintaining fuel efficiency. Expected powertrain specifications include 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, around 170 to 200 horsepower strong torque output for heavy loads, available manual and automatic transmissions. This combination ensures the Hiace remains capable of handling demanding commercial workloads while keeping operating costs manageable for businesses. Advanced safety technology. Safety has become increasingly important in modern commercial vehicles, and Toyota has responded by equipping the Toyota Hiace 2026 with more advanced safety technologies. Many versions of the Hiace are expected to include Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of driver assistance systems designed to reduce the risk of accidents and enhance driving confidence. Key safety features may include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear parking camera and sensors, multiple airbags throughout the cabin. These technologies help protect both the driver and passengers while making long journeys safer and less stressful. Versatility for multiple industries. One of the reasons the Hiace remains so popular globally is its incredible versatility. The vehicle can easily adapt to different industries and transportation needs. Common uses for the Hiace include tourist transport vehicles, airport and hotel shuttle services, intercity travel vans, corporate fleet vehicles, ambulance or specialized conversions, delivery and cargo transport. This adaptability ensures the Hiace continues to be a valuable investment for businesses across various sectors. A global icon that continues to lead, few commercial vehicles have achieved the global recognition of the Toyota Hiace. For decades, it has been a trusted partner for businesses that rely on dependable transportation every day. With the Toyota Hiace 2026, Toyota demonstrates that even a legendary vehicle can continue to evolve. By combining modern design, improved comfort, advanced safety systems, and proven reliability, the new Hiace reinforces its status as one of the most capable and dependable vans on the road today. For businesses seeking a vehicle that delivers space, durability, efficiency, and modern technology, the Toyota Hiace 2026 remains one of the strongest choices in the global commercial vehicle market.